Okay, Kate, what we're going to do is look over some of your issues with your blog post. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. Now, I went ahead and updated your heading with the capitalization, and not quite sure why you couldn't. So one of the first things I wanted to mention to you is to make sure that you're working in Chrome. And the only concern I have is maybe the Chrome or Firefox browsers that you have might be a little outdated because your system is outdated. So I don't want to blame that, and usually this stuff is pretty straightforward, but just in case that might be a reason. Okay, so this is the preview of your post so far, and what we're going to do is go in and edit it. So here's your edit, and what I did is here is the title of your post. And all I did is select the F and changed it to a capitalized F, and then I came over and saved. So I'll just do that again. Now the next thing you asked is this redundancy at first. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that paragraph, and on my keyboard I have a delete, which is a Windows keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and try backspace. That worked out fine. So I'm just hitting backspace, then I'm hitting delete to kind of return the next one. Now one of the things I noticed is you see how we actually have slightly different font styles. Can't say why that's happening. So what I'm going to do is, it looks like your standard default font style is this serif. This has turned into some sans serif. So what I'm going to do is select them all, and then I'm going to go up to the font style and click on default. And that will bring any kind of strange, I don't know, non-serifing going on back to normal. I also, looks like these are slightly different vertical spacing. I'm not quite sure why that's happening. So let's do normal. There's no change there. And normal again. Okay, so you click on default. Then you go to the text size and make sure normal is checked, and then that looks good. Okay, with that revision, I'm going to go and save again. Now I'm going to scroll all the way down, and one of the things we really didn't go over, but it's really important to do, is get your links to look nice. So I can see what you're doing, but I have a suggestion to do it slightly different. So you have a sentence called source, so I'm going to do the same, source. And you can say FAQ holiday waste article. Who used the statistics, I can't spell, from 42ways.com. So this is pure text, but it's a readable text. It's a readable sentence. So what you're going to do once you write this nice source sentence is come back and select the link. So we're going to basically say that this is going to be the link, FAQ holiday waste article. Now it just so happens I went ahead and found the link, or used this link that you gave me, which is up here, Stanford Building and Grounds. So I'm going to grab the same URL, Control C, copy it, come back to editor, and the thing you do is once you select what you want to make the link out of, what text you want to make the link out of, you select it, then you come up to the word link here, click once, and click on the field of web address and do paste. Okay, now the next thing you definitely want to do is make sure that the box that says open this link in a new window is checked. Okay, so we're going to say okay to that. And then secondly, this uselessstuff.com, maybe that's the most important way. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's uselessstuff.com. Let me do that again. Uselessstuff.com. Okay, this is pure text, but we're going to make it into a link. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I went ahead and found that link, which is up here, and I'm going to copy its pure link, Control C, come back to the editor, and now I'm going to select what I want to make out of a link, go up to the link, and in the web address field, paste the link I just selected. And again, make sure the open this link is a new window, and OK. So this sentence looks a lot more presentable than the old one. Okay, so I'm just selecting the old one and I'm hitting backspace all the way to that. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this link now, copy, and go to my browser, create a new tab, paste it. That's cool. I just want to see that it's all working. Ax Pablo. Okay. Now I actually already have it copied to my clipboard, but I'm going to copy it again. Okay, come back to the editor. And then you can say at treehugger.com is information, and I'm just going to blend that statement. There. This site, they guessed, there is, okay. At treehugger.com, they guessed that it took 15 mature, okay, so I'm going to go and grab treehugger, okay, at this article, in this article. Okay, so that reads nicely. In this article at treehugger.com. Okay, so we can select this article. I've already gone and copied the link, so I'm going to come back to the editor. Select the words I want to make into the link, come up to link, paste, and we're good with that. Okay. So that's all looking very nice. So I did notice again we've gone into a sans serif, so I'm going to just select a bunch, come back up to font style, click default, and normal. And that all looks very nice. So let's now look at this all. First save it and preview it. Okay, now preview is going to load in the same tab I've been using for preview, so I'm going to look for that to spin. It's going to have a little spin on it. So click in preview, it's spinning, and so my connection is, click on it. So now we can see that fabric is capitalized. At first looks good. This looks pretty sharp for color. Here's how the link looks. Oh, and we won't be showing it as a link. Oh, look at that. Something is going on. You must have pasted text is my guess. How interesting. Never seen that before. So we'll clean that up. Okay. So I'm going to select this whole thing. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to select from at treehugger.com, Control-C, copy it. What I'm going to do now, you can't see this, but I actually have an icon for a very simple text editor. In Windows, it's Notepad. In Mac, it's TextEdit. It's a simple, blank, black and white editor, and I'm going to paste the text, okay? I think what's going on is you've brought over some formatting. So I'm going to delete this and save it. And then I'm going to see if I can't paste from this very generic editor. Copy this, Control-C, come back to your editor, and I have my cursor right to, and I'm still in, okay, we don't want that. So I'm going to hit my right hand arrow and move it forward. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to now paste, Control-V. And let's save that and see if that does anything. Now we're going to preview again. Let's see if I luck out. Come on, preview. Did I do anything better? Okay, all gone. Okay, so I'm going to guess what happened is as you were pasting information, the page that you copied from may have brought over some formatting, and that's a pain. That's a reality and a pain. So the thing I do sometimes is when I am on a website and I want to maybe reference something of theirs, let's say I want to quote this from their web page, I'm going to bring this over, copy it, Control C, and then you want to have Notepad or TextEdit as a easy program to open, and then paste it. And what's nice about this is that this is totally generic. It's not Microsoft Word. It's nothing that has some formatting in it. And then once you paste it, you go and select it again, copy it, and then paste it into your Blogger editor, and you should be clean and free of any kind of pre-formatting. Okay, I'm going to say this one more time, and we'll go ahead and preview it. I just have a slow connection tonight. And it looks like everything's in pretty good shape. Okay, looking good. And then once you publish, you should then get a link reaction with your mouse. Okay, all right. So good luck. Hope things continue well. This post looks really beautiful. And let me just check. Oh, I see. So you put a caption under. So that they don't give you a caption capability? I guess not. Okay, good luck. Have fun. Bye.